Hello, welcome to a blog talk, and today's topic is how to connect Bluehost with Goddady. It is so simple and so easy. Just you have to follow the steps of this video. So let's get started. Just you have to log in your Bluehost account and click on the domain which is on the left hand side. Now click on the manage which is on the right hand side. After clicking on the manage, scroll down and click on the DNS. And here is the name server. So mainly we have to paste this name server in the Goddady account. So log in your Goddady account. After login your Goddady account, just go on the manage domain. After clicking on the manage domain, just click on the triple dot and click on the manage DNS. Again scroll down and click on the change name server. After clicking on the name server, scroll down, click here and just paste that name server here. Just copy that ns1 bluehost.in and paste in first one, and again copy the second one and paste in the second. Save it. Now tick on the box and click on to continue. Now the name server is added in your account. Let's see. Just reload this account. Just reload it. After reloading, the name server is changed. Here the Bluehost name server is added. Now we have to add on the domain in Bluehost. So for that, log in your Bluehost account again and go on the domain, and under the domain there is assign. Click on it and paste your domain name, and my domain name is copenrocks.com. Now it is verifying the domain. Just scroll down again. Here click on the create new directory and again click on the assign this domain. After click on the assign this domain, we got this interface, and now your new domain is added in your hosting account. Here it is, copenrocks.com, and that's it. If you want to check it, just click on the new tab and paste your domain name. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.